Reasoning and hybrid AI models need a different prompt strategy. Here's how to prompt those types of models, specifically ones like Claude 3.7, GPT-4, and similar hybrids. These models are designed to think through complex tasks, but to get good results, you need to prompt them the right way. Here's what you need to know. First, be specific and clear. Don't leave the model guessing. Tell it exactly what you want, whether that's a summary, an analysis, or a structured output. For example, summarize this report in bullet points for a busy executive. Keep it under 150 words. That level of clarity makes a difference. Second important thing is to keep it minimal. Claude 3.7 already reasons well. You don't need to over-engineer the prompt or give it too much details. In fact, the more you say, the more you risk the model drifting or overthinking. Third use examples. When needed. If you want output in a certain format, show the model an example first. That's called few-shot prompting. For example, here's the format I want. Feature, easy setup. Benefit, saves onboarding time. Now do the same for the next product. This helps the model match tone and structure more accurately. Fourth important factor is to skip chain of thought prompts. Usually you may have seen the phrase, let's think step by step. That used to help weaker models. But with Claude 3.7, it's not always needed. The model already knows how to reason. Forcing step-by-step logic can make the answer too long, or worse, make the model over-explain or hallucinate reasoning. Only use chain of thought if you want to see the logic behind a decision. You're working on a math or logic problem. Otherwise, skip it. The last thing to consider is to talk to the model, like a collaborator. These models are best used in a back-and-forth way. If the first response isn't quite right, clarify or ask it to revise. Prompting isn't a one-and-done command. It's a conversation. To wrap up, be clear. Be minimal. Use examples. Avoid unnecessary chain of thought prompts. Iterate. That's how you get the most out of reasoning models like Claude 3.7.